welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing yet again another super in-depth and super honest review on the Lululemon Clippable Card Pouch. I'm going to be going over the price, where to buy it, the specs, details, and measurements, some close-up shots, what fits inside, the pros and cons, and overall if I would recommend this product to you or not. So if you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. So first of all, let's start out with some close-up shots showing you the details of this pouch. So here is the front of the card pouch. As you can see, super duper cute, and the back has this super handy slip pocket, which I love. In the corner here, you just see the Lululemon logo tag and also this super hefty chain, which is super useful. The zipper pull is rubber as usual, and as you can see, it zips all the way and opens up quite substantially. There is 1, 2, 3 slip pockets and the Lululemon logo at the back as well. It zips up nice and securely. And here I thought I'd just show you guys some close-up shots of the tag and what was on it in case you were interested in reading it for yourself. And of course the price tag. So now I'm just going to go over price and where to buy this pouch. So this pouch typically retails for about $34 Canadian. However, it often goes on sale, and it's actually on sale right now for $19 Canadian, in certain colors that is, as this pouch comes in many different color combos, and only certain ones go on sale, and right now this colorway happens to be on sale. This is the pink, haze, and desert red color combo. You can buy it in the physical Lululemon stores right now, and also online on the Lululemon website. So now I'm just going to be going over the specs and description of this pouch. So as per the website, the description just says, zip, clip, and go. Secure this pouch onto your keychain, belt loop, or bag to keep your cards and cash handy. It's designed for casual wear and is made with water-repellent fabric. Apparently 100% of the polyester in this product is recycled, excluding the trims. The measurements are width 12 centimeters by height 8.5 centimeters, which is 4.7 inches by 3.3 inches. Now I'm just going to be showing you guys what fits inside this pouch. So first of all, I like to just use the cute little clip here to stick my keys. This is my mail key and the fob to get into my apartment. And they're very secure, which is really nice. And I'm just going to open up the main zipper compartment and show you guys that coins very easily fit inside. And because of the nature of this top zip, it's super duper secure, so nothing's going to fall out. As compared to, say, if you had a wallet like this that just had open top here. I mean, this one does have a zip, but because most of the slots are on the outside, if you were to go like this, the cards would probably fall out. And also this style of card holder that has no zipper at all, everything would fall out, so you can't put coins in here that securely or cash. So I like the top zip around. It's just, yeah, very secure that way. I'm just going to go ahead and put all of this other random cash in here. I happen to have Canadian money here because I am Canadian. But if you are in the States or another country, you can always just measure your cash by width and see if it fits inside based on the measurements part of the video that I mentioned. You'll see if it fits or not. And if it doesn't, you can always just fold it again if you need to. But yeah, as far as Canadian money, if you're Canadian and you're watching this, it fits, you guys. And here I just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards here, just to give an idea of the capacity. So as you can see in the back, all 5 cards fit very comfortably with lots of room. So I personally wouldn't recommend putting cards here because it's so open and loose, and I feel like they would probably fall out. So I personally would probably just put like receipts in here or something, but it's up to you. And I'm just going to go ahead now and put some cards in each of the slots here. So the first card here fits comfortably. Second card also fits comfortably. And third card. As you can see, there is 1 card per slot here. You could definitely fit more than 1 card per slot, so let's go ahead and put 2 per slot. And let's even go ahead and put a third 1 slot. So this is now 3 cards in 1 slot. As you can see, there's a lot of give and stretch because of the nature of this nylon material. It's very nice and loose, and that could be a pro or a con depending on your preference. Now I just thought I'd go over the pros and cons of this pouch. So first of all, the first pro I can think of is that it is durable and water repellent. You can also feel pretty guilt-free that it's made of recycled materials, which is great for the environment. And because it's this nylon-y material, a lot of wet things like rain and snow will just wipe off of it, which is really, really nice. It's also fast drying, so if you live in a place with lots of rain, then that's really great. And due to the nature of this nylon-y material, it's going to be a lot lighter in weight than a full leather wallet or full leather card holder. The super durable keychain on the side is super duper handy, and I do actually attach my keys to it. You can also attach it to your belt loop as the description said and pretty much put anything you want on there. The card slots are super duper roomy, which is very nice. You can fit more than one card per slot. You can put, honestly, probably up to 3 or 4 per slot. That's how roomy they are. I like that there's enough height to comfortably fit your cash and anything else that you may have. Well, I'm in Canada here and it fits our cash. I'm sure cash around the world is different, varying heights, but as far as Canadian money goes, it fits very comfortably, which is nice. Another pro is that the back slip pocket is super duper handy. I'm probably gonna be putting receipts in there, but you could even put like gum, tissues, whatever you wish. And the final pro I can think of is that the full zip all the way around makes for a lot of security so that none of your items will fall out, and it just feels very, very, yeah, just secure. I know often a lot of leather classic card holders are just open at the top, so if you were to like, you know, put it upside down and shake it, some of the cards may fall out. But because this one has the zipper, it's more secure that way. Now I'm just gonna be going on to the cons of this product. So the first con I can think of is that I feel like this could have been a little bit smaller. It just feels a little bit needlessly big in my opinion. Now it's not so big that it's a deal breaker, but yeah, I just feel like it could have been maybe just ever so slightly taken in at the height and width, just to make for like a more compact, cuter size. But overall the size is not bad. Another con, I guess, is that the card slots could definitely be more snug. Because of the nature of this nylon material, it has a lot of give and stretch anyway. So because the slots are very stretchy, I feel like the cards could very easily fall out, especially the back pocket here. I know a lot of people would probably put their like most used credit cards here, but I personally am just not that comfortable doing that because again, it just doesn't seem that snug unless you put like 4 cards in there. And the final con I can think of is that some people may not be a huge fan of the super loud like Lululemon logo at the bottom there. Now this does kind of depend on the colorway that you get. Some of them are like baby light blue with white letters, so it's a little bit more subtle. But at the end of the day, they pretty much all have the big Lululemon logo at the bottom, which some people may not like. Some people like more subtle and less in your face branding, so that is like a little bit of a subjective con. So yeah guys, overall my final score of this pouch is a solid 8.5 out of 10. It is super versatile, useful, and just practical, and something that I can definitely see myself using the absolute heck out of for many, many years to come. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so very much for watching. If it was helpful to you, then please give it a like. It just takes a moment. And also, if you love Lululemon and super in-depth reviews on their bags, wallets, clothing, etc., then please consider subscribing to my channel, as I absolutely love talking about all things Lululemon and fashion. So thank you all again so very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Love you guys!